In this guide, I'll show you the best Nintendo Switch 2 display settings for any TV or monitor. So the first thing you want to do is select System Settings on the home menu, and scroll down and look for Display Settings. Now, if your setup supports HDR output, make sure this is toggled on. And for your TV resolution, don't leave it on 4K, as the Nintendo Switch 2 doesn't support 4K at 120Hz. Rather, leave it on automatic and you'll still get that 4K. And when 120Hz is supported with 120 FPS for certain games, turn this feature on, and anytime your Switch will automatically adjust your resolution so you'll get those higher frame rates. So now we're going to scroll back up, and where it says RGB range, leave this on automatic. And you can adjust your screen size here if you see black borders anywhere, so you can turn this all the way up. And if you still see black borders on the right and left side, adjust the aspect ratio settings on your TV or monitor. So for screen burn reduction and match TV power state, you can leave these on or off. It's very much personal preference. I recommend you leave them on though. And when it comes to the auto low latency mode, turn this feature on, as if your TV or monitor supports game mode, it'll automatically switch to it, reducing input lag while playing games. Now for your HDR output, you can leave this on for all software or compatible software only. And then you want to adjust your HDR settings. So the trick to this is you want to press up or down on your D-pad to adjust the display until the pattern on the left is very visible and the pattern on the right isn't. So I'm going to press up on the D-pad and you'll see the right pattern disappearing. And you want to go just to where it starts to disappear. So here you can see I'm going to do it one more actually. And now when you go to next, you'll get a preview as to what the brightness is going to look like during gameplay. So if it looks too dark, you can always adjust the brightness, and if it looks too bright, you can always reduce it. Then you just want to press OK, and you now have the best Nintendo Switch 2 display settings for your setup. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.